Welcome to Sound of the Week. Let's sing the Sound of the Week song so everybody knows it's time. Ready? Sound of the week, sound of the week, sound of the week, sound of the week, sound of the week. This is the last sound of the week we'll do for a while, so I brought a special visitor. Somebody was taking a nap in this basket. You'll also notice I'm in a different spot today, too, because today is a special day in my house. It's Devlin's birthday. And so I'm sitting in front of her happy birthday sign. This is our sound of the week this week. This is ooh. I hear ooh in happy birthday to you. And I'm wearing a blue dress because I hear ooh in blue. Violet just walked by too. I can't wait to see all of the things you found ooh in. But let's look at the sound first. It's made up of two other sounds. Do you see? Yeah. I see. And yeah, plus says ooh. There are other ways to say ooh too. I'm going to trace ooh. Are you ready? Ooh. 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 Let's get out our invisible pencils. Ready? I want to start big. Will you make a big one with me? Ooh. Teeny tiny. Medium size. Ooh. All right. Well, I am so excited to see what you brought for this last sound of the week. Clover, are you ready to look in the basket? Look in my basket first. Do you see? There's Clover in the basket. Let's look in the sound of the week basket and see what's in there.